Hey there, my name is Daniel. I'm the CEO and founder of Iris, and in this video, I want to show you how you can install and activate Iris Mini Pro. First of all, thank you for buying Iris Mini Pro and supporting our project. You're awesome. Thank you very much. And when you're on the home page, you can go to the models Iris Mini, and from this page, just click the download button to download Iris Mini. On your email, you have activation code, and we're basically going to install Iris Mini and then activate it to go pro. So right now, Iris Mini is downloaded, and I can show it in which folder I downloaded it. And basically, it's on the desktop, so I can either start it from here by clicking or going to the desktop and double click this file. And now if I click next, agree, and wait for the installation to finish, Iris Mini is now installed and my screen is more orange, but you can't see this. By left clicking the tray icon, it may be here on your PC. To make it visible always, just drag it down there. And if you left click this icon, you change Iris modes. For example, if it's day, like it's in Bulgaria right now, and you left click this, Iris switches to manual mode and the screen is more orange. So now you have Iris Mini running. This is the free version. And if you want to activate Iris Mini Pro, just right click this tray icon, click Activate Pro. If you can't find this menu, if you can't right click this, double click the desktop icon which says the Iris Mini, and it will open the same menu. If I double click this, opens the same menu, and if I click Activate Pro, here I need to enter my activation code, which I received on the email, for example. So this is mine, and when I click Activate Iris Mini Pro, my Iris Mini is now Pro. You can see this. And now if I right click this icon again, you see that I have way more options, hidden features, and my Iris Mini is now Pro. So this was a short video about how to install and activate Iris Mini Pro. Thank you very much for using our product. Thank you very much for supporting us and buying our product, and you're awesome. If you have any problems, you can click here and write to us via Messenger or via the contact page to write to us via email. And this is basically our contact email, so you can just write here. Thank you very much again. Bye bye.